Well, good morning everybody. Nice sleep last night, I think. Wasn't uncomfortable, it was very comfortable. A bit of a chilly night. I wouldn't say freezing cold, but cold. But my king sleeping bag did its job. Didn't even have to get in, just I put the outer part of the sleeping bag on the bottom, and then the inner part I just put over the top, and it does the job perfectly. But yeah, I did wake up a lot though, tossing and turning a few times, a bit of noise going on. One thing that did bug me last night was off in the distance, I'm assuming it's around the lake, there was some idiots revving the absolute shit out of, I don't know if it's a boat or a four-wheel drive or whatever, and it was just like redlining and popping and banging and everything, and this was like 10 o'clock at night, probably later. And then they go racing across that bridge and obviously back into town or wherever they're going. I just don't understand how people can be so inconsiderate. Like, okay, people say, oh, well, it's only 10 o'clock at night, it's not late. It's like, well, it's not the point. It's like to be revving the hell out of an engine, redlining it, popping and banging through the exhaust or whatever it's bloody doing. And it just echoes through this whole valley area. And if it wasn't that guy, or if it wasn't that person doing that, there was other people just being obnoxiously loud with their vehicles. Not in the park though, not around here, just outside. I just don't understand how people can just be inconsiderate. It's crazy. But that didn't last long. It was only a short period of time. But yeah, definitely sound travels along here. Like, fair enough, there's a breeze and everything, and the birds are making a bit of noise, whatever. Like, the kookaburras were going nuts last night as I was getting into bed. Like, people down in the main park area, you could hear them talking, you could hear the kids laughing and playing, which, whatever, you know, fine. But just, yeah. I don't know, would I come back here again? Possibly. Like, I don't dislike the place. I've already said the gripe of, the toilets being nowhere near our camps up here. 5:53 and people were up at like 5 o'clock. A few vehicles were starting and off they go. Another guy's just packed up and he's headed off already. I thought I was rushy. But today I'm not going to be as rushy. Nice night otherwise. Went to bed just after 9, I think it was. That was pretty good. That was reasonable. But then, yeah, the sunrise is at just after 5 a.m. And because I've got the swag open, the light just floods in. So it pretty much wakes you up. And then, yeah, as I said, other people start making noise and being awake. I actually thought it was later. I looked at my watch and I'm like, oh, it's not even 5 o'clock. I think it was like 4:50, some people. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drink me coffee and try and learn from the last mistake is don't let it go cold. Yep, that's a good temperature now. That's my breakfast. Waiting for me tea to brew a bit more. Pretty good start to the morning. Like always, I'm going to eat my breakfast before it goes cold, and I'm not going to expect you guys to watch that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to do some clean up afterwards and finalise my packing, and then I guess we'll have a quick chat before we go. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Well, here we are, guys. I've actually left camp already. What was the time? 7:30 on the dot, so I've left before 7:30. I don't know, it was weird. It was like I finished my breakfast, I was cleaning up. I did sit around for a little bit. And then I yeah, just gradually packing stuff up, getting the car ready. And once I had it all packed up, I'm like, well, I'm not just going to sit around for the hell of it. So what I've done is I've come down to, I'm at Waroona Dam now. So behind me is the dam wall. So it gives you a rough idea about possibly how deep the dam is, because I'm assuming this is ground level within the valley. Beautiful trees around me, all these. Yeah, beautiful trees. The bird noise. There's water flowing along there. I wonder if we can get along. I wonder if we can get to that. Apologies for the wind if it's too much. We'll go for a walk and we'll see if there's a path to the waterway. Being so early, I wasn't just going to rush home either. Nice. It's like you can drive in here maybe. Oh, well, I've parked all the way over there. I wonder where this leads. Mini morning hike, I guess. Like, yeah, they got all these park grounds. Like, is there like a barbecue area around here or something? What's weird though is all these parking bays are all overgrown. Like, maybe this day use area isn't used so much anymore. Well, I can hear the water, it's got to be nearby. There it is in there. But where's the water coming from? I thought there was a little creek nearby, but no, it's just coming out of the ground there. See, there's even more parking spots here. You know what's really weird? I'm not condoning this, but you could kind of camp in here. Like if you just pulled up, set up camp, kept quiet, then you'd probably be left alone. Unless the ranger is not a happy person. Or he's all for the rules. Which, fair enough if he is. I thought about that. It's like you could come down here and just set up camp amongst the bush. You got the stream running nearby. No noise. It's just so weird that there's all these bays. Well, it looks like somebody's already got that idea anyway. Oh, look at that, just in here. Someone's obviously set up camp in here. And left their rubbish behind. Oh, wow. So I wonder what this area used to be. Like, did this used to be a camping ground? I don't think I've ever been down here. Like, I know I've been to Waroona Dam before, like probably 10 plus years ago, but I don't think I ever came down this way. There's a trail that goes off in there. Don't know where that goes. And then we got, oh, here we go. See, once again, this area, I wouldn't say it's very level, but if you just came down here and were quiet, would anybody know you're here? Oh, this is beautiful, look at this. Oh wow, it's like a rock. Oh, it is a rock. Oh. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Now, talk about relaxation. I could just sit here for a bit and just listen to this. I'm trying to remember what they call this. Like, Waroona Dam is that side, but what is it called when it comes to this little creek or river or whatever you want to call this? There probably is a name for it, but I'm not sure. Oh, you guys can't smell it, but I can, so I'll smell on your behalf. Oh, the smell. Oh, this is so nice. Might do a bit of time lapse here. Oops. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you soon. That was amazing. I just had to sit there for a bit. Just sit there right on the water's edge. Even just close my eyes for a bit. To me, that's relaxation. That sound and nothing else is just amazing. To some extent, I wish I was a bit more fitter and more into hiking, because going down that path down there looks like it would be nice. Even just this little part here that I'm doing. See, just mini hikes like this is amazing, is great. It's good to get out. No one else around. Just me and the trees, me and the birds. Beautiful blue sky. Not even cold. It's like a nice coolness in the air. Must admit, it's like I wasn't even planning this walk. I wasn't even planning on coming down to this part. It's just that I realised as I was driving out of the Lake Navarino park, I thought I didn't do like an outro. I didn't chat to you guys about my thoughts on the whole camping at Lake Navarino. I'm about to say I could have done it back there at the thing, but I would have been drowned out by the amazing sound of the water flowing there. But yeah, if you guys haven't been out to Lake Navarino and you're in WA, or even if you're from WA and you haven't been here, you got to come out here. Aside from the few little issues, I guess, I had, I would come back here again. I would. That's one thing I forgot to do. Is a part of my camping adventures is my car. So what we have here is if you haven't figured it out by now, Mitsubishi ASX, brand new, got it about 3 weeks ago now. Last of its type before they changed to there's a new model coming out in December. There's a new model coming out in December and it's a rebadged Fiat. And I thought, well, that's not Mitsubishi anymore, and I love my Mitsubishi cars. So I was like, yep, I'll take this one, thanks. If I could get a four-wheel drive, of course I'd get a four-wheel drive. Who wouldn't? But for me, this is all I need to go out and do the camping I want to do. Nothing fancy, does the job. The other thing is, has got road tyres. So once they're due for changing, which will obviously be a while off, I'm going to go for the all-terrains. Apparently you can get all-terrains for this vehicle, so that'll help. Maybe give me a little bit more clearance as well. But yeah, being just only a two-wheel drive, of course I'm limited on where I can go. But that doesn't matter. The places I want to go, it can go. Anyway guys, I think I'll leave it at that, to be honest. Anyway guys, I'll leave it at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's definitely been a great little camp. I definitely enjoyed this one over Martin's Tank. Still, if you like camping, of course go out there if you're out that way. I'm not saying don't go there. Just for me, I'd prefer somewhere else. But yeah, I guess the next video will be at Lane Pool Reserve in early December. So a couple of weeks time, I think it is, 2 to 3 weeks, I think it is. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in that video. But of course, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, subscribe if you want to see more two-wheel drive camping adventures. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.